You want to create vertical text in Canva, but you cannot find a vertical type tool like the one you are used to in Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. In fact, there is no need for a special vertical type tool because there is a simple trick to do it. So, hey everyone, and welcome to another short Canva tutorial. And today I will show you a simple way to create a vertical text in Canva. Honestly, when you realize the solution, you will be surprised how simple it is. So, open a Canva and create a new design. Then, select the text tool and start writing. For this video, I'm going for the word creative. Just write horizontally. You will change the text later. Now, when you have the text, click on the text block and click and hold the small rectangle icon on its side. While holding the icon, move in one side until all the letters are under each other. If the text is now larger and cannot fit entirely on the design page, simply reduce the font size until the text fits on the page. Do you see so easy it is? While it doesn't work for all fonts, for most commonly used fonts, this trick can help you create vertical text in Canva, and it can be done without any special tool in few seconds. So, I hope you have found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more typography tricks in Canva, watch the next video and subscribe to the channel.